Kwekwe, she have to get justice. DJ Sihle, she was very hurt about Kwekwe's situation. Guys, if you are a mother, you can be hurt about that situation. You understand it? Because guys, all we have got a girl children. And if you have girls, you can feel that pain. You understand it? A girl child is on risk, is in risk, guys, a girl child, because we don't even know, guys, why men are so weak, why are so wicked sometimes, because guys, you are forcing yourself to a girl child, a 7 years girl child. You understand? You are forcing yourself to a 7 years girl child. Guys, there is a lot of women outside. You understand? There is a lot of women outside, and that person is a white person. You understand? Guys, it's so bad. It's so bad because you are a teacher. And when you are a teacher, you are educated in your brains. You understand? You are teaching your child and you are abusing that child you are teaching. It's so bad, guys, most of the times. That girl, she have to get justice. She have to get justice. And DJ Sihle, she was very, guys, you can be disappointed most of the times of those things. You understand? You can very disappointed because, guys, when you have a girl child, guys, you can feel that pain. You understand? Because when you are sending your child to school, those teachers are their parents. When we are not at school, are their parents, and we are trusting them, but they end up doing those things to children. It's not good. You understand? Because we are trusting them as they are their parents at school, because we are not there at school. You understand? Because, guys, it's so bad. It's so bad to a girl child. It's so bad. A girl child is on in risk. A boy is better than girls. You understand? A girl child is on risk because you can feel that pain as a mother. As a mother, it's so bad. It's so bad because, guys, that teacher, maybe he is not doing to Kwekwe only. Maybe he was doing for many girls, but some people, they don't come in public because they fear to come in public. But Kwekwe's mother, she is doing a good thing to come and say it in public. You understand? And say it in public. Maybe that teacher, he was doing those things. Maybe the truth will be revealed at the court. Maybe he was doing those things to many girls at that school.